So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that we have to find this limit value. The numerator is x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 2 and the denominator it is x cube minus 5x square plus 3x plus 1 and the limit is x tending to 1. So let's see how we can solve this. So if you put 1 in the numerator and denominator, it will come like 1 minus 3 plus 2 and 1 minus 5 plus 3 plus 1, which is 0 by 0 form. So now how you can solve this? You can factorize the numerator and denominator. So in the numerator we have this, and we already seen that 1 is the factor of this, because if you put 1 in this, it will come like 1 minus 3 plus 2, which is 0. So 1 is a factor of this. So we can write this thing in this way, like x minus 1 and multiply by this cubic factor, because this is a fourth order polynomial. So if one factor is this, then after you multiply by some cubic, it will give the power 4, which is fourth power polynomial. So this is the thing. Now what you can do, how you can find this a, b, c and d coefficient, you can simply equate both of the sides. So first you multiply this whole thing by x, so it will come like a times x power 4 bx cube plus cx square plus dx, and then you multiply this by minus 1 whole thing, then it will come like minus ax cube minus bx square minus cx minus d. So after multiplication, what you can do, you can collect different power terms. Like here, it is the only this term which has the power 4 in terms of x. So now you equate both side. Here it is 1 and here it is a. So we can directly see that a is equal to 1. And in the x cube we have one term is b and one is minus a, and here it is minus 3. So b minus a is equal to minus 3. We know the a value as 1, so we can get b value as minus 2. Now if you see quadratic x square term like cx square and minus bx square, in the right hand side there is 0 times x square. So c minus b is 0, so c is equal to b is minus 2, so c is also minus 2. And the linear term is dx minus cx. Here it is 0 times x, so d is also equal to c value is minus 2, so d is also minus 2. So now we know all the values like a, b, c and d, so we can put here, and it will come like x minus 1 x cube minus 2x square minus 2x minus 2. So we also have this denominator, which is in terms of x cube minus 5x square plus 3x plus 1. We can also factorize this. So we know 1 is also a factor of this. If you put 1 in this, it will give us 0. So 1 is also a factor of this. And after taking this x minus 1 linear factor, the remaining factor is this quadratic, which is ax square plus bx plus c. And if you multiply both of this linear and quadratic, you can get this cubic. So now how you can find this a, b, c? You can equate both sides. Like first you multiply this whole thing by x, it will come like ax cube plus bx square plus cx. Then you multiply this whole thing by minus 1, it will come like minus ax square minus bx minus c. Now you equate the x cube coefficient. Here it is a x cube and here it is 1 times x cube. So a is 1 and here it is bx square minus ax square. So b minus a is a coefficient of x square and here it is minus 5. So you equate this, and if you put a is equal to 1, you can get b is equal to minus 4. Linear is cx and minus bx. So c minus b is coefficient of linear and here it is 3. You equate, you put b is equal to minus 4, you get c is equal to minus 1. Now you know all the coefficient a, b and c. You can put here like x square minus 4x minus 1 and here it is factor of x minus 1. Now you see in the numerator and denominator, this x minus 1 and this x minus 1 will cancel, and the remaining thing is this cubic factor in the numerator and this quadratic factor in the denominator. And now you put x is equal to 1, it will come like 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2, and here in the denominator 1 minus 4 minus 1, which is 5 by 4. So in this way we can solve this limit.